Now we will solve question number 3. Divide and verify your answer. So in this question, examples are given. These are division of 4-digit number by 1-digit number with remainder. See student, here example is given. These are division of 4-digit number by 1-digit number with remainder. So see here, 2923 divided by 3. Now in this example, 2923 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. First we write dividend and divisor in the correct places. Now divisor is 3. So here we write table of 3. Now we start from 1000 place. But here digit at 1000 place is 2, which is less than divisor. So here we have to choose 1000 and 100 digit together. Means we have to divide here 29 by 3. But here 29 is not in multiplication table of 3. So less than 29, 27. And 27 comes 9 place in multiplication table of 3. 3 9s are 27. So here we divide 29 by 3. We get 9 as a quotient. And write product 27 below 29. And subtract, we get 2. Now next digit 2 we bring down. Now divide 22 by 3. But 22 is not in table of 3. So less than 22, 21. And it comes 7th place in multiplication table of 3. 3 7s are 21. So here we divide 22 by 3. We get 7 as a quotient. So write 7 as a quotient in 10th place. And product 21 right below 22. And subtract, we get 1. Now next digit 3 we bring down. Now we divide 13 by 3. But 13 is not in multiplication table of 3. So less than 13, 12. And it comes 4th place in multiplication table of 3. 3 4s are 12. So by dividing 13 by 3, here we get 4 as a quotient. So write 4 as a quotient in 1's place. And product 12 right below 13. And subtract, we get 1. So see student, here we divide 2923 by 3. We get 974 as a quotient. And 1 as a remainder. Now here divisor is 3, quotient is 974 and remainder is 1. Now we put this value to verify our answer. Divisor 3, quotient 974 and remainder 1. Now we multiply 974 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry over 1, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 22, 2 carry over 2, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. So here we get 2922 products. Now we add 1, we get 2923. And see student, 2923 is our dividend. So here student, we verify our answer. Next example, 4292 divided by 6. So in this example, 4292 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. So we write first dividend and divisor in the correct places. And here we write table of 6. Divisor is 6. Now we start from thousand place. But here thousand place 4 digit and thousand place is 4, which is less than divisor. So here we choose 1000 and 100 digit together. So we divide 42 by 6. 42 is in multiplication table of 6 and it comes 7th place in multiplication table of 6. 6 sevens are 42. So here we divide 42 by 6. It gives 7 as a quotient. So write 7 as a quotient in the 100 place. And product 42 right below 42. And subtract, we get 0. Now next digit 9 we bring down. Now we divide 9 by 6. But 9 is not in multiplication table of 6. So less than 9, 6. And 6 comes at first place in multiplication table of 6. 6 ones are 6. So here we divide 9 by 6. We get 1 as a quotient. So write 1 as a quotient in tens place. And product 6 right below 9. And subtract, we get 3. Now next digit 2 we bring down. We divide 32 by 6. But 32 is not in multiplication table of 6. So less than 32, 30. And 30 comes 5th place in multiplication table of 6. 6 5s are 30. So we divide 32 by 6. We get 5 as a quotient. So write 5 as a quotient in 1's place. And product 30 right below 32. So here we subtract, we get 2. So here student, we divide 4292 by 6. We get 715 as a quotient. And 2 as a remainder. Now here divisor is 6, dividend is 4292 and remainder is 2. Now by using that value we verify our answer. So here divisor is 6, quotient is 715 and remainder is 2. Now we multiply 715 by 6. 6 5s are 30, 0, carry over 3, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9 and 6 7s are 42. So here we get product 4290 plus 2. We get here sum 4292. So sister, 4292 is a dividend. So student, our answer we verify. Next example, 4853 divided by 6. So here 4853 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. So first we write dividend and divisor in the correct places. Now here divisor is 6. So here we write multiplication table of 6. Now we start division from 1000 place. But here digit at 1000 place is 4, which is less than 6. So we choose 1000 and 100 digit together. Means we divide here 48 by 6. 48 is multiplication table of 6. 6 8s are 48. Sorry student, here 48 is in multiplication table of 6. 6 8s are 48. Means 48 comes at 8th place in multiplication table of 6. 6 8s are 48. So here we divide 48 by 6. We get 8 as a quotient. So write 8 as a quotient in 100 place. And product 48 right below 48. We get 0. Now next digit 5 we bring down. 5 is less than divisor. So quotient is 0. So 0 write in tens place. Now next digit 3 we bring down. Now we divide 53 by 6. But 53 is not in multiplication table of 6. So less than 53, 48. And 48 comes at 8 place. 6 8s are 48. So here we divide 53 by 6 gives 8 as a quotient. So write 8 as a quotient in ones place. And 48 product right below 53. And subtract we get 5. So sister, here we divide 4853 by 6. It gives 808 as a quotient. And 5 as a remainder. Sister, here divisor is 6, quotient is 808 and remainder is 5. Now by using that value, we verify our answer. Divisor 6, quotient 808 and remainder is 5. Now we multiply 808 by 6. 6 8s are 48, 8 carry over 4, 6 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. And 6 8s are 48. So here we get product 4848 plus 5. We get 4853. So 4853 is dividend. So student, we verify our answer. Next example, 9526 divided by 7. So here 9526 is a dividend and 7 is a divisor. Now first we write dividend and divisor in the correct places. And divisor is 7. So we write here multiplication table of 7. Now we divide. Start from 1000 place and digit at 1000 place is 9. So we divide 9 by 7. But 9 is not in multiplication table of 7. So less than 9, 7. And 7 comes first place in multiplication table of 7. 7 ones are 7. So we divide 9 by 7. We get 1 as a quotient. So write 1 as a quotient in 1000 place. And sum product 7 right below 9. And subtract we get 2. Now next digit 5 we bring down. Now we divide 25 by 7. But 25 is not in multiplication table of 7. So less than 25, 21. And 21 comes third place in multiplication table of 7. 7 3s are 21. So we divide 25 by 7. It gives 3 as a quotient. So write 3 as a quotient in 100 place. And product 21 right below 25. And subtract gives 4. Next digit 2 we bring down. Now we divide 42 by 7 and 42 comes 6th place in multiplication table of 7. 7 6 are 42. So here we divide 42 by 7. It gives 6 as a quotient. So write 6 as a quotient in tens place. And product 42 right below 42. And subtract, it gives 0. Now next digit 6 we bring down. Here 6 is less than divisor. So quotient is 0. So 0 write in ones place. So here we divide 9526 by 7. We get 1360 as a quotient. And 6 as a remainder. Here divisor is 7, quotient is 1360 and remainder is 6. Now putting this value, we verify our answer. Divisor 7, quotient 1360 and remainder 6. Now we multiply 1360 by 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 6 are 42. 2 carry over 4. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. So here we get product 9520 plus 6 we get 9526. So sister 9526 is our dividend. So student here we verify our answer. Next example E. 9567 divided by 8. So here 9567 is a dividend and 8 is a divisor. We write dividend and divisor in the correct places. Now here divisor is 8. So here we write table of 8. Now we start division from 1000 place. Here digit at 1000 place is 9. So we divide 9 by 8. But 9 is not in multiplication table of 8. So less than 9, 8. 8 comes first place in multiplication table of 8. 8 ones are 8. So here we divide 9 by 8. It gives 1 as a quotient. So write 1 as a quotient in 1000 place. And product 8 right below 9. And subtract, it gives 1. Next digit 5 we bring down. Now we divide 15 by 8. The student 15 is not in multiplication table of 8. So less than 15, 8 and 8 comes in first place. 8 ones are 8. So here we divide 15 by 8. It gives 1 as a quotient. So write 1 as a quotient in 100 place. And product 8 right below 15. And subtract, it gives 7. Now next digit 6 we bring down. We divide 76 by 8. But 76 is not in multiplication table of 8. So less than 76, 72. 72 comes at 9 place in multiplication table of 8. 8 9s are 72. So we divide 76 by 8. It gives 9 as a quotient. So write 9 as a quotient in tens place. And product 72 right 47 by 8. But 47 is not in table of 8. So less than 47, 40. And 40 comes at 5th place in multiplication table of 8. 8 5s are 40. So we divide 47 by 8. It gives 5 as a quotient. So write 5 as a quotient in 1's place. And product 40, right below 47. And subtract, it gives 7. So here we divide 9567 by 8. It gives 1195 as a quotient. And 7 as a remainder. Now here 8 is divisor, 1195 is quotient and remainder is 7. Now by using these values we verify our answer. Divisor 8, quotient 1195 and remainder is 7. Now we multiply 1195 by 8. We multiply 8 5s are 40. 0 carry on 4. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 76. 6 carry on 7. 8 1s are 8 plus 7 15. 5 carry on 1. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. So here we get product 9560 plus 7 we get sum 9567. So look here student, 9567 is a dividend. So student, here we verify our answer. So we saw example given in question 3. These are dividing 4-digit number by 1-digit number with remainder.